What if BMW's future flagship SUV looked nothing like the upcoming Neue Klasse models we've been seeing lately? Well, a stunning new digital concept inspired by the Vision BMW Alpina Concept is turning heads across the automotive world, and honestly, it has a lot of enthusiasts talking. Welcome back to New Cars Technology. Today, we're taking a closer look at a fascinating, unofficial design study that imagines what a future BMW Alpina SUV could look like. The story begins at the 2026 Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este on the beautiful shores of Lake Como, where BMW unveiled the Vision BMW Alpina Concept. Ever since its debut, the concept has sparked intense discussions among enthusiasts. Some believe it's one of the most beautiful BMW designs in years, while others still prefer the styling direction of BMW's upcoming Neue Klasse models. As always, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But while BMW hasn't revealed any SUV version of the concept, that didn't stop digital artists from imagining one. A talented automotive designer known as Sugar Design took inspiration from the Vision BMW Alpina concept and applied its styling cues to the BMW X5. The result is something many enthusiasts are calling the Vision BMW Alpina XB5 concept, and it looks seriously impressive. At first glance, you can immediately recognize the influence of the original Alpina concept. The front end features a bold new interpretation of BMW's kidney grille design paired with split headlamps and ultra-slim daytime running lights. The aggressive bumper design gives the SUV a futuristic yet premium appearance. Some viewers have even noticed hints of Genesis and Maserati styling influences, although those similarities appear completely unintentional. Moving around to the rear, the concept continues borrowing heavily from the Vision BMW Alpina concept. The tail section features distinctive dual taillight elements, a redesigned rear bumper, and cleaner, more sophisticated surfaces throughout. The overall result is a premium SUV that feels modern, elegant, and unmistakably Alpina-inspired. One thing missing, however, is Alpina's legendary multi-spoke wheel design. Many enthusiasts agree that adding those iconic wheels would have made the concept look even better. Inside, this imagined XB5 would closely follow the cabin layout shown in the Vision BMW Alpina concept. That means a massive pillar-to-pillar display stretching across the lower windshield area. It would also feature a central infotainment screen, a dedicated passenger display, and a completely redesigned dashboard. The four-spoke steering wheel from the concept would remain, along with a minimalist center console and a luxurious cabin atmosphere focused on comfort and technology. It's exactly the kind of premium environment buyers expect from an Alpina product. Under the hood, things become a little more speculative. The original Vision BMW Alpina concept is powered by a V8 engine, although BMW has not released detailed specifications. If this XB5 concept ever became reality, many enthusiasts would hope it retains that same V8 power plant, delivering the effortless performance and refinement that Alpina has become famous for over the decades. What's particularly interesting is BMW's first production vehicle developed with Alpina expertise following the full BMW Group acquisition is expected to arrive in 2027. That makes concepts like this feel surprisingly relevant. While this rendered XB5 is purely a digital creation, it may offer a glimpse into where future BMW luxury SUVs could be headed. If BMW decides to expand the Vision Alpina design language beyond sedans and coupes, a future X5-inspired model could end up looking remarkably similar, and judging by the reaction online, plenty of enthusiasts would be more than happy to see that happen. So, here's the big question. Would you prefer BMW's future SUVs to follow this elegant Alpina-inspired design direction, or do you think the Neue Klasse styling is the better path forward? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive news, future concepts, and industry updates. Thanks for watching New Cars Technology, and we'll see you in the next one.